Hello everybody. So welcome to the next presentation of the functionality of the BIS2 Office Synchronizer from Impuncto. So in this demo we see the integration between the Outlook client, the Microsoft Outlook client and SAP. And so the first thing we have to do is to connect with the right SAP system. So we type in the password and then you see that the menu bar has been changed. Just in the same way we see it in the BIS2 drag and drop and also in the integration for the Microsoft Word integration. So we select one mail and now we have to choose some relevant information, which is the customizing from SAP. If we select this button over there, then we get the complete customizing things about the document types and the document classes you have in your SAP system. We choose, for example, a typical email document type, so some specificas inside. When we create the new document info record directly from the Outlook, then we see that we fulfill automatically all the well-known values of an email, for example the date and the description and the receiver, for example, and the mail source and so on. These are extended attributes we need for the generation of the document info record in SAP, and this is just exactly the customizing you did in SAP. So the next step is, for example, that we need also some numbers of vendor, accreditor. This is an object link. This means that we build up a relationship between the mail and the right vendor, for example. So SAP gets the document and the mail was now successfully stored in SAP and could be deleted local now. Say yes, and now we have a look on the document info record. We look it directly and with some selection criteria find the mail and have a look on it. And now we see that we have the document info record with all the relevant document data, and we see in the originals of these document info record that we have a message file and we have some components of this message. So this is a typical mechanism of Impuncto. So we take the message file and split it into the individual components of this mail. And this concrete, this means that we have the message file as original, as you see here, and then we slip over and we identify the pure text file, see over there, and then the attachments, in this case also of course and PDF and so on. And then if we have a look to the object links of this document info record, then automatically in the creation of the document info record the vendor has been linked. And so we have a complete location of the mail just in the right business logic of your SAP system. Another scenario is that we want to send a mail to somebody and we need some information and we need a document coming out of the SAP system. So in this case we have the address and relevant items, and now we have a specific button like search this original and attach to mail button, and we can select the relevant document info record, and if we identify them then we see all the originals and we can simply mark up the relevant data we need for the mail to send. And in this case we only want to identify the PDF and said, okay, this one we want to copy into the mail, and now the mail is ready to send. This is the integration of the BIS2 Office Synchronizer with the Microsoft application Outlook, and I hope this gives you a little impression how easy the handling is to get emails directly in the administration of SAP. Thank you very much. Bye bye.